Welcome back, everybody. It's currently Sunday, 8th of August. As per usual, we're going to do our weekly recap. So, we're going to do the week from the 2nd to the 6th of August 2021. And we start with the economic calendar, as always. On Monday, we had the ISM manufacturing PMI. Tuesday, no big news. Wednesday, we had the ADP employment change, which is the employment change from the last month in a private sector. It's not the official government figure. ISM service PMI. Thursday, initial jobless claims, as we have every week. And Friday, first Friday of the month, as per usual, we have the NFP, which is the non-farm payrolls, how many jobs have been created in the last month, and even if it's not red, unemployment rate, either the U6 in the U3 unemployment rate, labor force participation. These all three combines can give you an idea of where is the economy, the state of the labor force right now in the US. So you already know that Fed is looking closely at these numbers. So we start on Monday. So Monday, of course, when we know that we have ADP and FP, we will sort of range in the previous days. So investor will not going to put any money to for any huge trend before knowing where is the sentiment. So we might expect price to range between some levels that we're going to see, and we play accordingly in the key levels. Okay, so let's start. We go on the hourly time frame, and then maybe we move into the smaller time frame later on. So we see reaction at the 1803, and we see this Monday failing to break below 1803, but as you can see, ranging big ranges in the during the day, this hourly, in this close range 1812.5, 1803. We can go on the 1 minute chart. As you can see, prices ranging between two key levels. We see nice push during New York, pullback, retest of the key level, and continuation up. And I think that's what we were looking for. We were going to see to spot some double bottom and rejection at the previous highs, which I mean here 1809, 1810 or 1809, or maybe even close at 1807. So as you can see, 1807, this is not 1803, sorry, 1806, 1807, which is the previous highs, acted as a perfect double bottom and continuation up with safer buys above 1812.5, giving nice 60 pips already. Huge reaction at 1820, key level. Let's see, 1812, failing to break below. And we're going into Asian session during the night. Okay, so we're going now into Tuesday. As you can see, we played double bottom and safer buys above, risky buys above 1812.5. I say safer because I remember in pre-New York, price was here, and say, okay, now safer is above 1812.5. Let's go on Tuesday really quickly. More or less the same. We play the key levels, only sells below the previous lows, or otherwise rejections we buy because we know that there's not enough fundamental confirmation to go below. We want to take advantage if we see strong intraday closures below these lows to scalp sell. So that's why I say we are playing the key levels. Let's see the reaction. Looks like price was not able in London to break below. As you can see, this was New York. What we saw was top. Let's go on the 1 minute. Top of the previous level. Let me just paste this one over there. Exactly. We tapped it and then huge reaction on the upside. And we move and we go into Wednesday. Wednesday is our ADP day. ADP, there you go. Wednesday, ADP and ISM service PMI. So we are starting to identify another block, more shorter between 1815 and 18.9, sort of. Where are the previous lows, the intraday closures? So we want to take advantage of buys when we have the bounce at the previous lows, when you see price not being able to break below. As you can see, this is the safer place for take sells. ADP, as you can see here, was expected higher than previous, and we're going to see how it plays out. Some ranging, some waiting of the news. As you can see, we have the ADP. Okay, yeah, we saw exactly ADP, non-farm unemployment change, 330K instead of 700K expected. So much less jobs created in the private sector, which is bullish confirmed for short-term gold strength as expected. You can go back and see on the 1 minute. So it is now, as you can see, ADP was here, I think. Yes, I gave a huge push on the upside to gold. Going pretty fast to the reaction at the previous highs. 1831, you see what we have on the left, previous highs. Do you think that ADP, private sector, employment change can give gold enough fundamental reason to investors to say, no, this is too low. We want to buy more gold to hedge against the economy of US. So we want it so badly because we are so at risk having USD that we are able to break above this important resistance. It's not a key level, but looking here on the left, how many times here as well it failed to break above. I mean, it's playing a huge resistance level. We can put it here at the previous highs. Do you think? I will give you 2 seconds, 5 seconds to think about it. Have you come to a conclusion yet? Okay. If your answer is yes, then you are wrong. If your answer is no, then you are right. You liked it? It's not that I remember this clearly, but this sell-off, huge sell-off, I'm not going to say it was expected, because as you can see in my analysis, um, I predicted a reaction here, not this high, 1830, but it's not strange. Why? Because investors got their profit, they got 170 pips. There's no enough reasons to break above this previous high. Why? Because the official number, the official report they want is the NFP, the government labor, look, perfect, um, report on Friday, not the ADP. We got also some, like here, some good, um, was, what was ISM service PMI, which was positive, as you can see. So they took it as an excuse to sell off everything. And we move on and we go towards our Thursday. But look, I give you another question. Do we have another enough fundamental reasons now to break below these previous highs, this support 1803, 1806, 7, 1803 to retest 1795 yet? I will give you 2 seconds to think about it. If you said yes, then it's wrong. If you said no, then it's right. We don't have enough reasons, fundamental reasons, for price to break below. And then you see why. Then you see what happens. Exactly, huge reaction. This is all things that you have to think about it, be lucid about it during uh, the scalping, intraday trading, everything. It's not easy, but that's why I'm here to study. And we moved on Wednesday, Thursday, sorry. We have the initial jobless claims, nice candles, same, same, same ideas. We play the key levels, we play the report, etc., etc. So we move and we go to the where is it? Unemployment claims. Perfect. In 20 minutes, you see, we got less unemployment claims than previous and a little bit more than forecasted, which gives exactly gold investors to be optimist with the US economy, but we don't have enough reason to sell below 1795, which, if you remember, look here. The last time we were below, it was 6th of July, 1 month ago. Look how it reacted perfectly. So we don't have enough reasons to break below yet. But you can start seeing something. You can start seeing that whenever buyers are coming in, sellers, optimists, investors, smart money is always ready to jump. Like here, using some excuse, using some report, but very, very, very strong bearish actions, engulfing and correcting immediately the moves. This is giving you a feeling of, okay, we are in a order block. You can see it. We are definitely in an order block, but we are going towards optimist behavior, optimist sentiment from the investors. NFP, big day. New jobs created is expected to be at least 1870K versus last month 1850. Labor force participation 61.6. Year 3 unemployment expected to decrease. Unemployment is 9.8, expected to be more or less the same. Was from 10 to 9.8, I don't remember. So this all depends from the news. If the news is good, we're going to sell. If the news is bad for the US dollar, we're going to buy. So this was, of course, depending on the figures. Safest buys, sells, Very good unemployment and NFP figures. Safe sell below 1795. Safest below a 1799. Let's see. Let's see. Go. We're still on Thursday. And we're going to jump into our Friday. As you can see, there's no NFP yet, but you see how there's bearish impulse. You see it. Okay. And we are coming towards our data. As this was as per scalping ideas. Buys at 1795 rejection, of course, was here if it was prior to the news, and that's what happened. We got a nice scalp because there was no reason yet to sell below 1795. Okay, let's go to our NFP. Boom, very good. 70k more jobs created, 0.3 unemployment less. So as you know, very, 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 very strong, good figures for the US dollar. So that's why I am already going down with the chart, because you know what to expect. And going slowly. Let's go slowly. Let's go in 1 minute. If you wanna enjoy some view. Oh, let me go in 1 hour. It's fine. Okay, nice, nice. You see, which is in 30 seconds already. We broke below 100 pips, broke below 1795 key level. We are retesting it. I don't like you. Okay. I don't care. Now we are going to retest, sort of retest 1795, but our bias is sell because the figures are really, really strong in favor of the US economy, the tapering, and everything we already discussed. So as you can see, we are sort of ranging, but we know where the bias is. So let's go on the 1 hour. We have the break below 1789, 1781 tapped, broken below 1776, 1776. Worthless. Very good. Very good. 1776. Rejection. Take profit and then some action again. Save sell below here. Who wants them? Who wants save sells below 17? Okay. 1772 tapped. And that's it. This was our NFP week. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to let it run till the end of the day. And we'll see you next week, guys. 70.59, huge. 300 pips from 70.89. 300. That's it. What do you want more? 300 pips in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, 5 hours. Very good. See you guys.